morning, good morning. All right. Got up this morning and saw the message for me right here. Comment. Omega Photo. He is asking if I could help him with the pop-up form. He's wanting to how to pass the month, day, and day values to the pop-up form from the calendar, which I have successfully created from watching your video. Great, thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you found it helpful. Let me show you how to do this thing. This is easy. It's real easy. But anyways, yeah, let's go. Let's open up one of the application that has a calendar. Got a whole bunch of them here. What is this? Could we do that? We could do that. Let's see what this one is. Let's take a look at that one. Oh, this one. Oh yeah, nice and pretty. Yeah, that we could use this. We can use this, but I'm gonna show you. Suppose you have an application already. All right, so we're not gonna use that, but that would be too easy to do. All right, that would be too easy. I want to get the one that's a little complicated. That way, I think we got yeah, we did the project management on this one. I'm gonna pick out the latest one right here. All right, copy, paste. Actually, I don't want to paste there. I'll go ahead and delete that one. We're gonna create a new folder, right? A new project. So I'm gonna paste it right out here in this folder, and then I'm gonna rename this guy to pass value to form. That's good. Pass value to form. All right, let's go in there. Yeah, this one is already completed. All right, this one, the whole project. If you want to watch this video, you can. Let me log in. I think I still remember this one. Email. It's been so long, almost a year, I think. If I'm not mistaken here. Come on. There. This is what we want. We want to click on this guy. All right. Let's read that one again. From the calendar, pop up. We want to pass in the month and the day to the pop-up. You see that month and the day to pop up. So I assuming you are going to be clicking on this button right here. All right. So let's do that. Let's do that. I'm gonna move the focus to a different form. This should be very easy. First off, let's create a pop-up first. Let's create a pop-up. That's going to be all pop-up. We don't really care what is in here for now. You know what? I'm going to put right there. Let's format this guy. Let's make this guy text 1, and then let's copy. Yeah, yeah, that looks good right there. We're probably gonna need another variable. I'll go ahead and populate this guy. This one is going to hold the value for us. You know, I'm gonna put right there. We're gonna call this one select day. All right, and we're gonna make this guy invisible. No, we don't want to see it. This guy will be that guy will be, how about month, day, year, I am going to make this guy right align. Yeah, it shouldn't be easy. It shouldn't be that difficult. All right, this is pretty simple task. This one txt month. This one txt day. Txt year. That should be good for now. Alright, that should be good for now. You know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna copy that guy. That's a label. Oops. That's a label. I'm gonna move that label up here to the top. I'm gonna put right yonder. You know what? Right there is good. Right, that's good. And then this one is center. I'm gonna name this label select day. Nothing there for now. That looks good. That looks good. I'm gonna dress this up a little bit here. Pardon me. I get tickled when I get to start working on this MS Access. Yeah, maybe right there. I think that's good right there. All right, let's save that. Control S. Call that appointment. What you need to do here, go to event here on open. Where's open? Where's my open? Right there on open. You see here on open. All right, let's oops, let's go to a procedure code. All right, let's go to procedure code. What you want to do here is you want to identify if not is no, like this. It's an open args. That is the global variable that you can use. Open args is an open argument. All right, so if you pass in an argument in here, this is how you find out. So if it's not null, then we want to select it to be that guy, open arg. That's it. All right, once that's done, you can go ahead and come over here and say private sub and load. That's it. That's all. We're gonna caption, put this guy caption about booking appointment. Let me see. I thought I read the booking calendar, which quiz from watching video, so I can add new booking for that day. You see that? So I can add new booking for that day. So we're gonna name this guy booking appointment, and then we can say txt sure month equals, day equals me select day. You see that? Me month. Pretty nice and simple here. Like I said, this is there's nothing to it, and then year, which is all right, and finally we want that label caption to look like this. You can type in long date. That's all you have to. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. Yep, that's all you have to do. Now all we have to do is just modify the calendar so that it opens this guy up. But before we do that, morning. Good morning. Before we do that, couple things we need to do here. We want this guy to be a pop-up. So let's scroll all the way up here. Pop-up. Model. Model means you cannot move away. That means this guy is in focus. Alright. That's why you use model when you require something to be done. Alright. So make sure you use this guy model. It means you gotta do something there. We're gonna take the selector out. We're gonna take navigation out. We also want to take the scroll box out. Oh, not scroll. Right here, scroll bars. And then we want control. We want the close, but we don't want minimize, maximize. Take that out. That should. Oh, one more thing. Auto center. See there? Auto center. Make sure this save. All right, save. Let's take a look. Let's see what it looks like. Appointment. Okay, got you. Yeah. Yep. So you can assign something. All right, you cannot assign anything to a null value. So currently it's a null value. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're going to make this guy like so. If it's null, we're just going to make a day one. Oh, got you. One more parentheses. If it's null, that's what we want to do. All right. We want to just put 111 there. Even months here. You know what? We can do this. 12, 31. And just the same way, it's going to be null first, because you know why it's null? We don't have it. We have not passed anything in there. 1899. We have not passed anything in there. Alright, put the parentheses there. My bad. Save. Here's the same thing. Alright, here's the same thing. So if this is null, if it's null, you can do this. If it's null, you can do. Now if you in foreign countries, you want to do this. If you want to go date serial. Alright, if you're in foreign country, you want to do a date serial. I have shown you that many times, and that date serial will always work with any country. Okay, so be sure you put the use the date serial here. All right, and that's that. That is that. So let's continue. See there, it defaults to, yeah, look at that. Let's see. Let's take a look at what we did there. Year here. Oh, 1899. Oh, got you. So if this guy's no, got you. I know why there. I'm gonna copy this guy. Let's make it. You know what? Let's do this. Else. So if it's no, this is what we want to do. That way we don't have to do a whole bunch, and I should have done this one earlier. So I'm going to default take this it's null out here, because now it's actually something. So we take all what we did there. Should have thought about it earlier. But of course I wasn't thinking until later. Until later. So this way you don't have to do all that. It's no. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? So now there. So now when this guy opens, if it's null, it's going to just do this. Otherwise we cannot do this. So after the form is loaded, this is what we want to do. Alright, so let's close that. Save first, close. Let's try again. That's better. That's better. See how that works? That's nice and simple. It's not none at all. Not at all. Now that we got that form ready to go, we can now code the One code the okay. I want to make sure that I'm away from the calendar there. Remember, if the calendar is in focus, you cannot modify that. Okay, I guess you could. All right, but it's gonna keep asking you to save. But by moving the focus away from the calendar, now you can open the calendar. Just remember that. Okay, see this right here? So we click on this. We want something to happen there. Alright, so I'm going to copy that name, copy, go to code behind. At the very top, I can do this. Alright, and then do the second one. Second one, Monday. You notice it's got that Tuesday there. Oopsie. Now you might ask, why don't you just use the event? Click on the event. All right. Well, if I click on this and I come over here and I say on click, then it's gonna create a subroutine for me, but I have no idea where it's gonna put it. Let's take a look. I don't like that. I like double click this guy and see where it puts me down, way down here where I want it to be at the very top. So I'm gonna copy that. That's the reason why I don't do that. I like to type so that I know I'm always up here. All right. So now I can actually know what's going on here. So I can just do this. CMD, Tuesday, Wednesday, 1 underscore. See that? That's the same thing. And I'll do the same thing. Private sub CMD Thursday, 1 underscore. That's the same thing there. All right. But I'm just going to do this 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to go through the whole shebang. But you have to do that for all the buttons. All right. You have to do that for all the buttons. I'm just going to do it like that. All right. So what we want here, when we click on this guy, let's see here. I'm going to put, I'm going to type in select day as date, and then select day equals date serial. The year is the text box that you select, right? That's on the form. How about the month? The month is the select month, the drop down list. How about the day? The day is the command right here. See this? The day is CMD SUN1 caption. That is the day. All right. Now we gotta convert this to int, to the number. All right. Remember, caption is a string. That's all you have to do. All right. The next thing that we do, you need to open up that form. So you can do command open form. See how I'm doing it? Nice and easy. Appointment. Yeah, that's it. The next thing that you need to do is to pass in the value that you're looking for. All right, pass in the select day. So we gotta do a comma here and ask what do you want me to do here. So we're gonna open this guy up as a normal. So I'm gonna go down normal. The next thing is filter. We don't want to filter anything. We don't have a where clause on this one, and we don't have the form edit only. Well, actually add or edit. We don't care. We just use a default. And it is a dialog, so you can select this guy or you can just leave it blank. Now the dialog and the form model is the same thing. All right, let me show you. This right here. this right here, this model right here, that is the same thing as a dialog. All right, or you can fix this guy to be as a matter of fact, let's see, border style right here. That's the same as this guy right here. All right, that's the same. Well, we're gonna put it thin. I like thin. Okay, but this is the same thing as this one. That's model. So let's go back to the form. So you don't have to do anything there. So what else does it want? Oops. This is what we want. You see here, we want open arg. You see there? See the open argument? This is where you say select day. That's all you have to do. Save that, and that's just gonna do it. That is just going to do it. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Save that. Make sure you save that now. Look at that. Sunday. See, it's Sunday, October 1. All right. So let's do the let's do on that day. Switch over. Let's go. I'm gonna copy this guy. Copy. Now, because I notice, I just see a rhythm here. I notice you're going to be copying this guy into all these buttons right here. Tuesday, Wednesday 1, Thursday 1, Thursday 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. This is the best way to do it. Anytime you see the redundancy, then you want to do this. I'm going to create this function. I recognize this is the redundancy right here. You see there? That's what I'm looking at. Get select date day. All right, and here I'm going to pass in the integer, the day, day as integer. You see, now all I have to do is copy this booger right here, go into here, and then change this guy to get select day, and then change this guy right here to day. See, this is programming. So anytime you recognize or repeat it, all right, for instance, that's another repeat it right there. Oops. Instead of just doing all bunch of these, copy in here. Now you don't have to. All you have to do is you can just say copy. You can just say me command sun1 caption, and then we need to convert this guy to int, just like this guy right here. See there? Now we get rid of this guy. See, that's called programming. Now all you have to do is just copy this booger right here. It's nice and simple, nothing to it. Like so. See that? Nice. So nice, very, nice and easy. This is a one-liner, right? Just like that. I'm gonna leave that one out there. And now all you have to do is change this guy to Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Make sure it jives with this name right here. See, command 1. All right. So let's take a look. We gotta close the form now. See, this calendar. That's why you need to move away from that calendar. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Tuesday. That's Monday right there. Let's check out the Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. You see there? Thursday. Nothing Thursday. We can add the Thursday. Change this guy to Thursday. Save. Thursday. There you go. See there? That's how you do it. All right. Well, this is a short video. I want to make it a little long video. All right. I'll go ahead and help Omega Photo, because yeah, that's too short a video. That's too short a video. We want a little longer video. Well, that's what, 15 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and help him out. How about appointment ID? Do you know why I don't do this? That is a reserved word. Date is a reserved word. Do not do that. All right. Make sure you type something in there. Date is a reserved word. So we'll go ahead and make sure we don't use the reserved word. That will make your coding better. How about appointment time? Did I miss some? Oh, I missed a T there. Short take, that's fine. You're gonna have to format this your own. All right, I'm not gonna do that for you. And this one, how about memo? Memo is also in some application, memo is also a reserved word. I'll go ahead and put appointment memo. All right, and this could be a long text. Let's make this guy a primary key. Save. Call it appointment. I didn't think I was going to do this. All right, so I'm already here, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna give you more than you asked for, mister. More than you asked for. All right, let's go to here. Let's add our automation. Select that guy, copy. Let's go to code behind. Insert class module. I'm gonna name this guy like we have appointment. Paste, and then this one is a GUID DB access. Get GUID. Save that. All right, I'll go ahead and add the module now. Insert module. Here's the same thing. We'll go ahead appointment DB access, conforming to all coding style. Select the right side, copy. I'll go ahead and close that. I'm done with it. Come over here and paste that guy. Save. We're almost done. We are quick. We are very quick. All right, let's go back to appointment right here. See that appointment? All right. I'll go ahead and do this one for you. You know, it's not that big a deal. It's nice and easy. So let's go to appointment right here too. All right. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get rid of this guy. I'm gonna copy this guy. Another label. This label is error message. Oops. Message. This one. Yeah, this one will be time. Like I said, you're gonna have to fix this yourself. All right, I'm not gonna fix it for you. But it's not that big a deal. I'm gonna get rid of this guy. Move this guy down here. I'm gonna call this guy txt memo, and I'm gonna change this guy to rich text. About that. Maybe we don't need to be writing the whole book. And one more thing, right here, enter key behavior, use new line. That way it allows you to add more than just one single line. All right, let's see, what else do we need? What else do we need? Oh yeah, I'm gonna copy that, paste. Perfect, right on top of that guy. We're gonna name this guy memo. Let's add a button called save. Now let's format this guy. I've been using the accent 3, so accent 3 seems to be oh, that's a border color. Let's revert back. This guy right here, back color accent 3, like that. That looks good. Now let's name this guy add, cmd add, just like that. Yeah, so now let's go to code behind. Again, I'm going to type command add, click, if not is null. I want to make sure that the time is there is a time, and not is not. Make sure the memo is something there. We want to validate this guy. All right, and then you go up here and say else, error message equals check required field. Now there I'm going to make sure this guy is empty, and how about full color? We want to color this guy as dark red. That looks good. All right, save. Let's see what's going on here. Monday. Okay, so we remove all that, so we're going to take all that out. That's fine. We remove all that. We're going to take that out. Save. Good. There you go. That's Monday. Now let's see. Look at that. Check required fields. All right. Now this guy could be to the left here. Let's do some more tweaking here. Minimize that. Let's do some more tweaking. I am going to push this guy to the left right there, and then to the left. Save. Let's take a look first. Let's go to Tuesday this time. Tuesday booking. Add. Check required fields. Good. All right. Let's continue. We're almost done. All right, we're almost done. We're gonna add the object appointment. See there? So here, I'm gonna copy this guy. Copy. We want to say set equal to new opportunity. New appointment. Now I'm going to say date is the select date that we pass in. See there, and then the time will be this guy right here, and then how about the memo? Memo will be that guy. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done. We are moving fast. Holy moly! I'm gonna add another field right here, variable boolean. Yeah, this is nice and simple. Once you start to understand, you say, oh, I get it. B save equals, got that appointment in there, except I'm going to take the O out. This is DB access and save. Put that guy back in there. We are done. See there? We are done. Alright, let's take a look. Before we take a look, we gotta close this guy. Remember, we modified this guy. This guy's out there. So let's do that. Alright, let's save. Alright, let's add some time. How about 9 o'clock a.m. Okay. Jack is, I'm going to kind of Jack, how about passport photo, add. Good. Now see, when we add this guy, we also want to clear this guy. Okay, so once it's add, actually, you know what, I'm going to change it differently here. If then me time no me memo no. I think that's good right there. All right, now let's take a look. Did it save for us? Let's go ahead and save this. Yeah, did it save for us? Let's go take a look. We just added the record. Nice. Nice. All right, so let's continue. All right, let's continue. Let's add another one. Let's add another one. This one is 10 o'clock time AM. Remember, you're gonna have to fix this time yourself now. Now memo, how about Julie? All right, family photo. Nice, nice. That means it's saved. It deleted it. That means it's saved. All right, let's close. Let's take a look. Perfect. All right. Well, let's go further. Let's go further. We want to know what's going on there. All right. So this guy right here. Let's go further. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of things. I'm going to go ahead and code it for you. Not that big a deal. Add subform to that guy. Let's go to subform right here. We're going to make this guy an appointment. You see that? Just like that. And I'm going to get rid of a whole bunch of these things. Get rid of these things. Actually, before I get rid of that, I'm going to get rid of this though. Hold on, I just noticed something. See this right here? I'm going to keep that. Get rid of this too. This guy right here, I want to move this guy way over here. That will be our ID. See that? Let's add header. And I'm going to move this guy way up there. Like so. And delete this guy. And move this guy right there. Oops. Too high. Right there. That will be the date. Gonna copy that, paste. This time seems to be, I'll go ahead and paste another one, but this time seems to be a little too wide here. I'm gonna make it right there. Of course, you can do whatever you want to here. All right, I'm just kind of do this one like so. So this right here will be a date. Go to control source right here. That will be a date. Give it a name. This will be a time. Give it a name. That will be memo. Like so. Click on this header. I'm going to change that to back color here to background. and then give this guy a nice, good looking background. I like soft color. How about that? Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, make that a left align and maybe bold right there. Oops. Right there, bold, like that. That's good right there. And then take the memo out, change that to date. Copy, paste another one. I'm gonna select this middle one here. Select that. Actually, the first one. Select that, and the first one, the date. Select the date. We want to shrink this guy to the same, right there. That looks good. Select that and that. This time we're going to make it wider. Alright, and same as this one. Good. Alright, let's change this guy. Tom. Memo. We're almost done for this one. See how fast we're moving? Save that. This one right here, see how single form right here? We're going to change that to continuous. We also don't want it to be allow add right here. Take that no, right? Just make that allow no, and that's it. That's all you have to do. All right. No, nothing. All right. Come up here. I think everything looks good right there. Continues. You go ahead and take this guy out, take that guy out, pop up and model. All right. Let's go to code behind now. We're going to change this guy to refresh form. We're going to change this guy to the select date. Change that to date, and then select everything. Delete everything. We don't need the form load. We need to make this public so that we can call from this form right here. That we want to call from this form. But right here, we are going to say call refresh form. And we don't need caption because it's going to be a subform. So here, what we want to do here is we want to say deselect date equals forms. We're just going to type that booger in there. Appointment .txt select date. Select is it date. Select day. Now if this guy is no, that guy is no, date serial date serial equals 1899 December 31st. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be that. Now we're gonna say me record source select everybody from appointment where appointment date equals. Wow, I'm doing a whole shebang for you now. With that, how about order by? How about add order by? Order by time appointment time. Remember, you gotta fix this yourself. All right, I'm just going to do this for you. That's all. Save. Well, that looks good so far. I think that looks good. Now let's go back to this guy right here. All right. Once you save this guy, if appointment save, you want to do this. Oh, hold on. You cannot do that until we add the subform to it. So I'm going to close. That's that guy. I'm going to close this guy right here. I'm going to add subform in here. Forgot to do that. See there? Oops. I think that looks good right there. Maybe down further. You can stretch this down a little bit. There, in addition to stretching down, make sure that guy is selected, come to anchor. We're going to stretch it down here too. Alright, save. Alright, now we can go back in here. Once we save that booger, when we save, now we want to say form refresh form. That should be good. I think that's good. Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. See if we miss anything here. All right. So we select this guy. Oh, it didn't show us. We should have something in there. Oh, let me take a look. What's going on here? How come it doesn't show us? Select where. Oh, let's take a look. Why that is. We want to make sure this guy has something in there. All right. Let's take a look why it doesn't show us. Is that the right name? Is that the right name? Hold on here. Select day. I'm gonna copy that. Copy. Yeah, it is. Well, it doesn't see that. You know what? We can do this. If it doesn't like that, we can take that guy out. Save. Actually, I'm going to keep that there. Continue. Close. Let's try opening it again. Still not seeing that date. It doesn't see that guy. Let's do this. I want to make sure that I know what is going on here. It's going to come in here. It's going to load. I'm going to copy this guy. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna follow this booger right here. This is how you debug that thing. Alright, make sure that I don't have anything. See there? I'm gonna close, save that. I'm gonna close that before I reopen that guy. Okay, continue. F8. So we know this guy is October 3rd. Comes back in here. Is it October 3rd? Yes, it is. See there? Good. There you go. So what happened here? What happened here? Let me show you what happened. On this one right here, I did not call this guy. So the first time it loads up, it's going to be null. Remember that? Until all the forms is loaded, then you have to do this. All right, so that's the problem right there. So I forgot to put that one in there on the load. All right, so now that it displays correctly, there you go. All right, so just add that bit in the onload event right here, this guy right here. See how I did that? It's similar to this one. When we want to refresh that one, so it's the same thing. Now something that I need to fix, or to make it look right here, I'm going to show you something. We're going to take this alternate color here out, no alternate color, and we're going to change this guy to rich text. See how this guy is just a reminder that, hey, make sure that this memo is a rich text. All right, so that's all. So let's save that, just okay that and save, and you can see it already marked as rich text, so it's okay. Let's try that again. Nice, that looks good. Let's add a new one. We're gonna add let's add 11 a.m. Omega photo, you're getting an appointment here. How about Jackson? I have no idea. That's a family photo. How about the annual photo? Save. Look at that. See how it's not ordered correctly? That's the reason being is because that is not really time, right? If you manipulate this guy as a time, you might be able to do that. I think I did a video some time ago. Let's see if I can find that video for you. I did that way back when. About class. See if you have anything for class. There's a class in here. I'm going to try to see if I can point you to the right place. How about there's how about database? Oh yeah, right here. Watch this video, all right? See course day time demo. So I did the sort in here for the day, for class day, class time, and all that. So watch this guy. How does relational database work? All right. So, but anyways, let's get back to our system, our work. That's how you do it. Let's add another one. Let's save that. We're going to add on this get day. All right, we're gonna start early. How about 1 o'clock? Yeah, how about 1 o'clock p.m. How about Jack? Redo. I have no idea. Redo passport photo. See that? Nice. So you can go back, look at the Wednesday or Thursday. All right. So that's how you do it. Woo! I didn't think I was going to come this far. Omega photo, you got me into it, mister. Like I said, passing the value to the pop-up is not big a deal. It's real easy. All right. But I just went ahead and did extra work so that if you were to do this to add the booking appointment for yourself, for your studio, that's how you would do it. All right, nice and easy stuff. Okay, and then you can just track, okay, what do I have on Monday? Nothing. How about Tuesday? You know what, I can book you on this day. How about Tuesday? Well, I've got one appointment there. and you can say, hey, you know what, I have 2 o'clock available, would you like to come? Yes, type in. All right, that's it. That's how you do it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.